Increase the rate of reaction. Check rate of radioactive decay.
Positive.
Hi everybody, welcome back, and today I've got an Astor. At the moment I don't know what model it is, but it's a plastic case, like a limey green colour, and the cream faceplate there. Look, it's not too bad a unit at all, reasonably good condition, a couple of little knocks on that, but the case isn't cracked or damaged. So I will get around to finding out what year it is, but we've got a new aerial attached to it, and I'd say that that's a replacement power cord as well. Anyway, get a screwdriver and let's open this up and see what we can find. Maybe really won't have to do much to it at all. Go on. I'll just unscrew it. Off camera's going to take a bit, I think. Anyway, I think these self-tappers that they put in aren't original. I think. But we'll find out. Let's. Oh, what else is there to undo? Oh, one more. Didn't see it. Still. Self-tappers, yeah, maybe. Oh no, it doesn't want to come out. Something's holding it in. Why? Yet one more. Now that looks original. Alright. Oh dearie mate. Let's... okay. I'm going to be fiddling around here. I'm not going to waste your time. So let me undo all this. Here we go. Yes. And... okay. This is interesting. There's a bit of twine holding on the faceplate, I think. Yep. Fair enough. Missing some nuts. Missing one nut anyway, a couple, yeah. And, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valve. So, yeah, somebody's put a electro capacitor in there, as you can just see it there. Let's have a look underneath. That's been recapped. Try and bring the camera around. Well, gee. Okay, and so all the caps changed, and all the resistors have it. Oh no, a couple of resistors have been changed. Anyway, I'll get this thing out of its case. And well, let's power it up and see if it works. I'm trying to get the chassis out of the case, and it's proving difficult. So I've had to take the dial face off, and we've got the globes just sitting there, and on the body itself, that dial pointer. God Almighty. What a shit design. And I've got, obviously it's 6.3 volts running, running to the globes. So, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to unsolder those. And I'm going to unsolder the speaker as well. Oh, this is bullshit, honestly. They made it difficult, didn't they? Okay, alright, I'll get the soldering iron hooked up and get rid of some wires. Okay, the bloody thing is out. I'm really starting to dislike this radio. I'm not going to power it. I'm going to give it some normal tests. So here's our rectifier, whatever it is, and it's got to be, I'm guessing, there. We'll see. We will see. Okay. I think you can, yeah, you can see it. I'll just turn Variac on and let's give it some power. It's getting power. Okay, I don't know what the pins are that I've put it on, so I'll assume. I really have no idea. The okay, we'll try the orange wire and see if we get high voltage. No, I'm getting bugger all there. I'll find out what valve it is. Wait a minute. It's not the rectifier valve. It's something else. It's a 6, I can't read it, but 6V4, that should be the rectifier. And there, and I'm thinking that one. Alright. Well, oh, there it goes. 183 volts. All good. And I'm assuming 6.3 volts will be okay. I'll just get this out for now. And just going to turn the, I've got the speaker and the dial globes, jump it into the chassis, and I'll just give it some power and see if those dial globes light up. And they do, so that's all good. Alright, let's put our clips onto the filter cap, and the cap can has he's replaced it. It's certainly got to be this one here, 15 microfarad at 450 volts, so it's probably a 16 originally. Alright, yeah, the one that's the valve I thought was rectified. That's the output valve. So yeah, alright. Well, there's no shorts in it, so let's give it some power. Waiting for that rectifier to kick in. Nothing much is happening there. I'm currently at, how much mains am I giving it? That's 100 volts. It's starting to come up. Here we go. Still not a lot of voltage for the rectifier. No, that's nowhere near enough voltage. Unless it's going to kick in now. That's 160 volts. 190. 200 volts of mains, and we've suddenly gotten up to 110 volts of DC. And the radio is alive.
Last year, they've got it together from a good little group. They play also for a lot of free services.
I'm glad they do, mate. We just lost the signal. interesting. Well, it works. Don't know how well it works, but it does work. It hasn't got the standard tuning gang in it. It's got one of those. Oh, actually, I've got an example. Well, I did have. Yeah, when you want things, you can't find them. It's got something like this. I'm sure you've seen them. It's got those rods in it. Oh, there. And these were, I think, late 50s and 60s, certainly. This came out of a 1960s radiogram. And it's got the equivalent. But, oh, where is it there? Bring the camera up. As you can see, it's huge. Absolutely huge. So, yeah, somebody mentioned what these things are called, by inductance or... Anyway, I'm not sure, But that's why I'm now thinking this radio's got maybe 1960s or late 50s, I'd say. But anyway, cable's coming off. I'm going to look around and I'm going to try and find out the model of this thing and then come back and see if it's worthwhile replacing some caps. Well, guys, here it is. It's done. And there wasn't much to do. I replaced a couple of resistors that were way out. 2 or 3 somewhere. I can't see them all. But anyway, new power cord in it. And yeah, this one's done. So, real short video. But when someone's done all the work for you, like, thanks a lot, nice. And he did a good job too. So, oh, by the way, a couple of things. I found out what that string was for. It's the old dial string, because we've got little tension spring on it. So he just left that on there as kept the spring in a nice safe spot. So that'll come in handy. And I did find out what model it is. It's an Astor, of course, a GPM, if I remember the lettering correctly, 1955. So, good little radio, actually. Good little radio. Just a pain in the ass getting it out and putting it back in. So it's more work actually taking it out and putting it back in than it was changing those resistors. Oh, and one cap there. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. Anyway, catch you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.